Hi, let's look at another kitchen remodel. This turned out beautifully. Granite countertops and backsplash. Wow. First, we had planning, measuring, and making selections. And we had Stephen discussing the project with our client, taking some notes and measurements, making notations of his measurements and notes. And here he's sharing some information with the client and some drawings. The client had some friends there, some family members who were helping her with her choices of the countertop. There they are discussing it. Here we are with the final selection. She placed it on the floor, wanted to see the cabinet pull that she had purchased recently to go in the cabinets to see how it would look. Next, we had our installers come and template the countertops so that they could fabricate them and have them ready to go when they brought them back. The backsplash was removed everywhere in the kitchen. And then it was time for our installers to come back and return. They came back and demoed the countertops. They did that in the morning, and then they were ready to rock and roll by installing the granite that afternoon. The area over here was a peninsula or an island, and there used to be, where this line is down here, a dropped snack bar. Our client wanted to go with a one level all the way across the top that would have an overhang equivalent to what the snack bar had been previously. So our guys are adding bracing to help support the overhang of the granite. Here it is with the supports in place. You can see what that looks like. They brought the new large Valle Nevado granite piece in. It looks awesome. Looks so great. She has an area to prep, serve, sit and eat. Here they were, they had been sealing the granite. That's why you see that little can there on top of the granite. So the granite's in everywhere in the kitchen. We still don't have backsplash, but that's okay. Got the cutout for the stovetop there. Next was the installation of the sink, stovetop, hood, and electrical safety. Yes, electrical safety. This home was built in the 1960s, and because there were appliances being updated and some needs with electrical, our electrician trade partner came out to help us. He inspected everything, made sure that everything was wired correctly for the new appliances and working properly. And boy, are we thankful for him, because he found a wire that was corroded and it actually just fell off. It could have been a real fire hazard and safety issue if it had not been checked. So now we've got all the new appliances installed. Safety's been done. The kitchen electrical is ready to go. And then our plumber trade partner came and made sure the dishwasher, sink were all hooked up correctly to work properly. And we did not get a picture of the Titan board or Hardy board as it was installed. So here it's already been installed and the tile has been put in place. Those blue little tabs are tile spacers. They help align the tiles during installation, help them to not move around while the adhesive sets. And you can see there's multiple pictures of that. That helps us ensure that we have a consistent width between the tile for when it is grouted. Here we have the spacers removed. Everything's been grouted and cleaned up. And the final product. Here's some before and after photos of what the space looks like. A wonderful project completed for our homeowner.